Hey guys, give me a second. Trying to pull it up. All right. I have got how to pronounce this right under the statistics about the volcano and everything. Hey, Kobe. Been waiting for you. Yeah, it took me a while. BMKG would not open. USGS said there was a 5.6 Doncaster. Okay, that's the Solomon Islands region. They've got it 164.6 miles southwest of Gizo, Solomon Islands at 6.2 miles in depth. All right. Now, BMKG was the primary data source for this earthquake. That is why I could not get open. I tried opening it several times. Now, EMSC has had this at, that was a big one, 5.2 Solomon Islands. I don't know who posted that. I'll have to go and look. Hang on, guys. It's going off like crazy. Let me see who posted the 5.2 also. USGS posted a 5.2 as well. So now we've got two earthquakes in the same location. So guys, let me get this first one and then I'll get the second one, okay? So USGS said this was a 5.6 going to the USGS webpage. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. How to pronounce it will. Hello, 10,000. How to pronounce it will be in there. Matter of fact, let me play this for you. All right. See if I've got how to pronounce it in here. Still up. Let's see. I think that's it. Let's see. Nope. Let me go to here and see. There it is. I put this link in there for you. Please listen.
Emtrecasteaux. Emtrecasteaux.
Emtrecasteaux or something like that.
Emtrecasteaux.
Emtrecasteaux. It's in there.
Emtrecasteaux.
The link for this name of this island is in there. Okay. So I did put that in. Let's see what we got here. That's EMSC, USGS. Okay, EMSC just posted as well for the next 5.2. I'm beginning to think that 5.6 was higher than what they're saying, or something's going on in the Solomon Islands. Let me go pull up EMSC. Now, EMSC had this 5.6 they've had it at a 4.6, a 4.9, and now, and all those links will be in there, and now at 5.6. Okay, they have been playing with the numbers a lot. All right, right now EMSC said it's a 5.6 Doncaster Islands. Okay, they've got 181 miles south of Gizo, Solomon Islands at 24.8 miles in depth. Please remember USGS has it at 6.2 miles in depth. Now GFC came in with this also. Let me go ahead and get GFC for you. And then I'm going to pull up BMKG. BMKG was the primary data source for this earthquake. All right. GFC has it at a 5.3. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. So let me go ahead and pull up the BMKG. They are the primary data source for this earthquake. Please tell me I didn't delete the BMKG. Yeah. Okay. I got to go to the link for it, guys. Hang on. Going to BMKG link now. Now, when you go to BMKG, guys, you're going to run into a problem. You have to go searching all the links at the bottom. Okay? Let me go find it. Earthquakes. Thank you. Trying to find it. That won't open up. Naturally not. Let me go to the other link to find it, and I'll pull that up. And then you're going to find a bunch of earthquakes underneath. Okay. Now they have just had a 5.2 in the same location. Let me go ahead and pull up the 5.3 if it'll work. My internet just is going wacko. It's this one right here. USGS, EMSC, GFC, and BMKG. We're the only ones filling this one. I'm going to go ahead and pull this up and see if I can pull up BMKG for you. But this is what I was talking about. You're going to come to this page on BMKG, okay? Hello, darling. Now, down underneath, you're going to see a list of earthquakes. Okay? There's a list there. What you're going to do is click on the 5.3, well, 5.2 now. They have it at a 5.2. Let me pull this up. All right. That's BMKG. BMKG is the Indonesia Earthquake Center. They've got it at 70.2 miles in depth, 113 kilometers. All right, you're going to have these three earthquakes, BMKG, GFC, USGS, and EMSC. All right, now disaster alert just popped up there. You see my little blue symbol there at the very top. Let's see if that would be what we're looking for. 5.6. Opening it up. It'll change automatically. Okay. And then I'll go ahead. Hey, Joanne. Then I'll go ahead and pull up the secondary earthquake that just happened. They're saying was a 5.2. So there it is. It'll change automatically. And there it sits, a 5.6. All right. Let me read this for you. An earthquake of magnitude 5.6 at a depth of 6.2 miles has occurred. They've got 265 kilometers, which is 164.6 miles from Gizo, G-I-Z-O, Solomon Islands, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC of the USGS. This is a preliminary. Let me go ahead and copy that. Copy. This is going in the notes. Then we're going to go to earthquake number 2. All right, so hang on to that. What is going on, people? El Salvador just had a 4.0. All right, let me go ahead and put this into the notes so you'll have that. And then I'm going to go to earthquake number 2 that just occurred. Disaster alert. And paste. Get rid of the silly commercials, guys. It's going off like crazy. All of a sudden, it's quiet all night. Now it's going nuts. All right. So we're going to put hashtags there. Now we're going to go find out about the other earthquake. The one they say was a 5.2. I think USGS posted that. Let's go find out. That occurred 30 minutes ago, this one. Yep, just USGS and the EMSC. Let me go pull them up on the earthquake finder. There we go. Come on. Where are you hiding? 5.2. All right. Now, USGS said there was another one just a few minutes ago. That was 30 minutes ago. They finally posted. There will be no tweet for this because USGS does not put out tweets for anything below a 5.5, okay? So, second earthquake. USGS said it was a 5.2. Same region, Gizo, Solomon Islands. They've got this one at 6.2 miles in depth. They got it at 287 kilometers. Let me go ahead and put that into miles for you. And I've got to copy that because this is earthquake number 2. Here, 287. It's 178 miles. This is earthquake number 2. 287 is 100. and 78.3 miles. Same location, Gizo, Solomon Islands, 6.2 miles. Okay, so I'm just writing it down so I'll have it to read off at the end. All right, so let me copy that one. This is earthquake number 2. We keep that in mind, and then I will go copy, copy. And we're going to paste this underneath disaster alert starting earthquake number 2. Then I'll have to go the estimated release of energy and closest volcano for that one. USGS primary for this one. Paste. And let's go down here and copy what they said for you. Copy. So you'll have all the information I have here in front of me. Copy. This will be on the notes. Sorry, you're getting it as I get it, guys. I can't help it. I apologize. If they would post them all at the same time, it would make it easier. I could have copied it. Now we're going to go to EMSC. Go to their tweet. EMSC put up a 5.2 Solomon Islands. Okay, so we're going to put EMSC. They're the only 2 earthquake centers at this time with this earthquake. All right, paste. And let's go ahead and go to their webpage. Make sure they haven't upgraded it. It's going off like crazy. I know you can hear it, and I'm sorry about that. Paste. All right, let's go to their webpage. Earthquake number 2 coming up. Hey, JJ. All earthquakes. So far, earthquakes were coming in Argentina, Hawaii, off the shore of El Salvador, it's northern Sumatra, Nevada. Okay, this is earthquake number 2. EMSC has it the same location as before. All right, they have got it at 10 miles in depth. They got 179 miles southwest of Gizo, Solomon Islands. All right, so let me copy this and put it in the notes. Now we're dealing with 2 earthquakes, a 5.6 and a 5.2. I want to go to the map. I need to go to the map and see where these earthquakes are, how close they are to each other. So let me go find out. Oh, there's disaster alert. They just posted the 5.2. Take a look at the top. Those are all my earthquake centers there, guys. That's every one I use. Well, I've got one more page of them. One more page of earthquakes. All right, let me pull down disaster alert. That was not the one I was looking for. Okay. So now we're going to go to disaster alert. Then we'll go to the map. I want to see where these earthquakes took place and see if they're close to each other, because there were 2 of them. Please keep in mind that EMSC has been all over the wall with these. Live earthquake map had quakes all over the place. Yes, I know. I know. JJ, I do know. All right, let me see what we got. 6 hours ago, I did that one. 38 minutes ago, 5.2. Opening it up. 5.2. All right, this one just occurred. This one is 30 minutes old. It was just updated 13 minutes ago. All right, an earthquake of magnitude 5.2 at a depth of 6.2 miles has occurred. 287 kilometers southwest of Gizo, Solomon Islands, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC of the USGS. Let me copy this and go up. They also had an earthquake in Hawaii. EMSC begged to differ with USGS on that one. So let me go ahead and put this in the notes. All right, so disaster alert. Paste. Get rid of the silly commercials. God, I hate to, I'm not going to pay $40 for a thing I can get it for free. You know? Now what? 4.7 New Zealand. They won't put that up. You watch. They'll ignore that. The only one that reported that was New Zealand. All right. Let's go to the map like I suggested. And we're going to go see where it's at, okay? So here's the map. Pulling up the map. USGS and EMSC at this point are still the only two for that earthquake, 5.2. All right, GFC, EMSC, USGS, and BMKG were the primaries for the others. Guys, take a look. Sitting right next to each other, the 5.6. I can enlarge that enough to tap it. Okay, 5.6 and the 5.2. You see that? They're right there, right next to each other. All right? So let me go ahead and shrink this so we can see the closest volcanoes. All right, let me get this over here. We're going to enlarge. Okay. Let me go to the map. Let me go to see which one it is. It's the Papua New Guinea region. Okay. Solomon Islands, Papua New Guinea region. I need to make sure they're saying this earthquake is green. I mean, this volcano is green. All right. The name of the volcano is Simbo. Simbo. Okay. So we're going to open that up. We're going to go look for that volcano. All right. Yes, we know. Let me go to the volcano, please. All right. Let's see if I can get a picture of the volcano and the earthquakes. All right. You got a 5.6 there. The two circles. One's a 5.6. The other one's a 5.2. They're saying that is the closest volcano to these earthquakes. Really? That don't look like the closest volcano to me, but that's what they're saying. All right. To me, it would look like the two straight in front of it would be the closest two volcanoes, to be honest with you. But that's just my opinion. All right. Yeah. I think it was a 4 point, according to EMSC, a 4.4 in Hawaii. According to USGS, at 4.9. All right, let me go, guys. I'm going to go back here. The first earthquake. They've got it. It was BMKG as the original data source for this earthquake, okay? They've got it. The closest volcano was 70.2 miles. I'm going to put that in there for you. Equals 70.2 miles away. Color code green, normal, dormant. It was same as the other one, okay? Same volcano. Now they're saying on this one, let me go here after disaster alert and go back. They're saying this one, I forgot to put it in there. Oh, I am so bad. Oh, guys, please forgive me. Let me go get it. That's what I want right there. They're saying this one estimated release. Come on. Copy 5.2. USGS was the primary data source, 249 kilometers away. Volcano. 249 kilometers. I'm going to copy and paste that in here for you to the notes. I forgot to put that in. Paste. Okay, Papua New Guinea is where this earthquake took place. All right, closest volcano is 249 miles away. USGS on this one is the primary data source. Okay, let me go to calculator. 200. Come on. My calculator stopped. I got to reopen it. 249 is 154 miles away. Seriously, people? One volcano 70 miles away. They're saying this one is 154 miles away. I think they're, yeah, just me. Okay? But I'm going to write down exactly what they have. You guys can check it out for yourself because you'll have the longitude and the latitude for these things. I always make sure you got it. equals 154.7 equals 154.7 miles. They're saying green, normal, dormant. I'm saying the other ones were closer, but I am not. It's not my job. Miles away, color, code, green, normal, dormant. Now I'd have a problem if it was red and that closer. I really would have a problem. Because then they're dealing with messing with people's lives. All right. All right. Copying these. It looks like my little blue note just appeared. The little blue dot above my notepad. That is disaster alert. And they're now posting. Okay. They are now posting the disaster alert for the 5.2. I'm sorry. I was impatient. I went looking for it. All right. Oh, you turned 40. You're a baby. You're young. Okay. It should kick over automatically, guys. And there it goes. I've already copied this. It is already in the notes. I got impatient and went looking. All right. Disaster alert just posted. Let me get these links to you. Copy these and send it into YouTube. Copy. Then we'll go back. I'll see who's here. We'll go back and check them before I leave because EMSC has had that 5.6 of 3 magnitudes. And I want to make sure they keep it there. Okay. I always go back and check. At the rate they're downgrading these things, I want to make sure you guys have all the facts. That is my function, to give you guys all the facts. Like I said earlier, I'm an equal opportunity earthquake reporter. You get everybody. Okay? I got to change the title too. So give me a second to do that. Region 5.6. And let me put the and sign in there. And a 5.2. Okay, 2 earthquakes, a 5.6 and a 5.2. They're not downgraded, 2 different earthquakes. Okay, I'm copying this and putting it into community because YouTube will not. They're not posting my earthquake reports for 12 to 24 hours after they've happened. Please be aware of that, okay? Please. Just ever so often check my page. All right, now I'm closing out the everything. All right, closing out everything. And what I'm going to do is come see who's here. All right. All right. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a replay for you. 2 earthquakes we're reporting on, a 5.6 and a 5.2, same location. Kobe, I want to thank you for coming in, sweetie. I hope you get to see the puppies soon. Earthquakes in diverse places, I know. Joanne, hi. Wendy, hi. Hope you're doing okay, sweetie. It's been a while. Darlene, thank you, sweetie, for coming in. You're totally awesome. What do we got here? JJ, thank you. Tom, we go see the oncology tomorrow, Monday, JJ. We'll let you know. I'll do an update, I promise. I promise. All right. Let's see what we got here. I want to make sure I say hey to everybody. Kobe, I did say hi to you, sweetie. What do we got here? JJ, I said hey. Amanda, hi, sweetie. Sorry. Nicaragua. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the family. JJ, Kobe, Darlene. So well, I'm just trying to, Amanda. Hi, Kobe. Meet the family, Amanda. They're very sweet, sweetie. All right. 10,000 Lakes, JJ, Kobe. Okay, I think I said hey to everybody. All right. Guys, let me go back, redo a repeat of what we just did. Come on. Stop playing games with the computer. Oh. All right. Right off the get-go, opening up USGS map page. All right, this will be a 5.6. USGS said it was a 5.6. 164 miles southwest of Gizo, Solomon Islands. Now, guys, I have a hard time pronouncing where this took place, region. It was Democrat. Anyway, I put how to pronounce it in there. It's DEMTRECASTEAUX Islands region. It's Solomon Islands, Papua New Guinea region. All right. In USGS has it at 6.2 miles in depth. Right under all the statistics, you're going to find a page for how to pronounce it. It will be there. All right. I'm not pretending that I know all these words or these islands and these things. Now we're going to EMSC, opening up EMSC. Let me go to their page here. EMSC had this earthquake at a 4.9, a 4.6, a 4.9, and then a 5.6. That is a heck of a spread. All right, they've got it 181 miles southwest of Gizo, Solomon Islands. They've got it at 24.8 miles in depth. GFC had it at a 5.3. BMKG was your primary data source. They had it at a 5.2. All links for that earthquake will be in the description box. So now let me take you to earthquake number 2. So far, the only ones reporting on this earthquake would be EMSC and USGS. Once again, USGS map page. They've got it as a 5.2. They've got it 178 miles, what was that? Southwest of Gizo, Solomon Islands, 154.7 miles in depth. Not 154, what? 154 miles, I'm sorry. Now we'll go to, and they've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. Now we're going to go to EMSC for the 5.2. Like I said, EMSC and USGS are the only source for this earthquake at this time. No other earthquake center has posted it. All right. EMSC has it at a 5.2. They've got it 179 miles southwest of Gizo, Solomon Islands. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. All right. This link also will be in there. You'll also have disaster alert. They've got the closest volcano to this earthquake as green, normal, and dormant. That information is also in there. Let's see what just happened. 3.2 where? Turkey. Okay, that's cool. I want to go check out aftershocks. Something tells me this earthquake was bigger than what they're saying. Okay, it's just, you don't have a 5.2 followed by a 5.6 followed by a 5.2 unless it's bigger than it was. All right, so here's what we got earthquake-wise. They've got the Central Islands, Turkey border region 3.2, 3.7, Catamarca, Argentina, 4.5, El Salvador, 3.9, Sumatra, Indonesia. All right, 4.4, Oaxaca, Mexico. All right, guys, I can't put those links in to this podcast. But, all right, stop with the ding-dings here. 4.1 just occurred, Ecuador. Let me see who posted that. Ecuador Earthquake Center, so that has not been confirmed yet. Okay, that's what we have. I'm going to send you guys much love. Keeping an eye, keeping notes. I got almost 200 of these books, which I'm going to have to get rid of soon. It's taking up too much space. Okay, let's see what we got here. Kobe, JJ, I was single parent, 32, at 32, and a 1-year-old when I was age 20. Single for years. JJ, you're doing a great job too, sweetie. You'll meet your soulmate. You'll meet your soulmate. It'll happen. Happy 4th of July, everybody. What I'm going to say is God bless each and every one. Please be safe out there. Sorry this took 31 minutes. You got 2 earthquakes, though, out of it. 15 for each one. Have yourself a great 4th of July weekend. Hopefully it'll be safe and quiet. Yes, pet safety. Guys, if you've got animals, all right, now I know Samson's been sensitized to the fireworks going off, but he's a service dog. He's supposed to be. Most dogs, matter of fact, all dogs that are not been trained to be scared are terrified of those things. Please remember, take your pets inside, keep them safe, keep them quiet. All right, keep them away from the fireworks. Sending you guys much love. Big hugs to each and every one. 2 thumbs up. God bless you. Please be safe. You guys have yourself a great one. Love you to pieces, guys. This video is now ending. Wait a minute. That may be a 3rd earthquake. 4.1, Ecuador. Guys are happening all over the place. Be safe. God bless. You guys are totally awesome. All links are in the community section. All links are also, if they post this in 12 to 24 hours, it will be there also. Have a great one. God bless. Be safe.